Today I'm going to teach you, my dear friends, how you will prevent and cure your sick joints. Even if you have knee arthritis, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, hip problems, spinal kind of arthritis, everything in today's video is going to help you a lot. Do you wake up with aching knees, stiff hips, or clicking shoulders? Does your joint pain stop you from enjoying the things you love, like walking, gardening, or simply getting out of the bed with ease? You're not alone. Joint pain affects millions of people worldwide, and it's not just the elderly. Younger people, athletes, and even children are experiencing joint issues. But here's the truth: joint pain doesn't have to be a life sentence. In today's video, I'll show you a natural science-backed approach that targets the real cause of joint pain, not just the symptoms, so you can finally say goodbye to the pain and hello to the freedom of the moment. And for the first part of the show, I really want to try to explain to you what is the real cause that you have the joint problem. First, let's break down the myth. Joint pain isn't just caused by getting older. The real causes including chronic inflammation, cartilage degeneration, poor circulation, autoimmune response, and sometimes even the food you eat. When inflammations build up in your joint, your immune system begins to attack healthy tissues, leading to swelling, stiffness, and the pain. And wear and tear, lack of movement, and nutritional deficiencies, and the damage accelerates. So what's the answer? Not just the painkillers. We need to heal the inflammation, rebuild the cartilage, and support joint naturally, my dear friends. I work with the patients over 25 years, and only approach that helps my patient is always be and is natural remedies and healthy way of living, not the chemical medications or injections or operations. And if you try understand and know how to understand what is healthy way of living, what is the best natural solution, your joint will be healthy. Here's the breakthrough, the 3-part natural protocol based on the latest research. Pillar 1, anti-inflammatory superfoods. My first recommendation is going to be turmeric. Block inflammatory enzymes like COX2 and FKB. Boswellia serrata is my another recommendation. Ancient Ayurvedic extract that improves mobility. My third recommendation is going to be ginger root. Improves blood flow and reduces joint swelling. These are natural painkillers without the side effects. Pillar 2. Cartilage and the joint repair. You will need collagen type 2 found in chicken broth, bone broth, or supplements. MSM or methyl sulfonimethane. Reduce pain and support cartilage growth. You will need hyaluronic acid. Lubricates the joints and cushions the movements. Those nutrients help regenerate tissues, not just mask the pain. And pillar number 3 is going to be crucial mineral and hormonal support. You will need vitamin D3, crucial for calcium absorption and immune balance. Magnesium relaxes muscles and prevents calcification in the joints. You will need zinc and the boron, aid in the bone mineral density and joint enzyme functions. Together, this protocol reduces pain, restores flexibility, and supports long-term healing. Those are my secret when I work with my patients. Those kind of protocol have 3 kind of steps, and all those natural remedies you can combine and you can use a couple of them each day. You just need to figure out what is best working for you. But try remember those 3 steps protocol is going to help you a lot. Now let's talk about nutrition. What you eat every day has a direct impact of your joint. Eat more of dark leafy greens, rich in calcium and vitamin K. Fatty fish like sardines, salmon for omega-3. Berries, antioxidant to fight oxidative stress. flaxseed and chia seed natural anti-inflammatory fats. You need to avoid sugar and refined carbs. They feed inflammation. Fried foods and processed oil, full of omega-6 fats that cause swelling. Nightshades like tomatoes, eggplants, peppers for sensitive individuals. Too much alcohol or caffeine depletes mineral from the bones and the joints. You can out-supplement a bad diet. Food is a medicine or it's a poison. This is really easy to understand. What you eat is need to be healthy. Try practicing something called intermittent fasting. Eat healthy food. Avoid those kind of garbage and the junk food, and your joint will be unbelievably better place. My other recommendation for your health of your joint is gonna be everyday movement. Here is something powerful. Motion is lotion. Gentle, consistent movement helps increase blood flow to your joints, deliver nutrients and oxygen to cartilage, prevent stiffness and fluid build-up. You don't need to run marathons. Try 20 minutes of daily walking, yoga or tai chi for joint-friendly strength, swimming for no-impact movement, light-resistant bands for mobility. Even 5 to 10 minutes of stretching can reduce pain significantly. Consistency matters more than intensity. That means, my dear viewers, it doesn't matter if you're 70, 80, 90 years old, you need to move each day. Try exercise, try walking, try stretching. Everything I described earlier is going to help you with your joints. You will be in a better place if you're doing this. And my last recommendation is going to be ancient remedies that still works. Now let's go beyond supplements and the food. Here are natural therapies that have stood the test of time. Castor oil packs applied on the swelled joint, they increase circulation and reduce stiffness. Epsom salt baths, magnesium-rich and deeply relaxing for the sore joints. Infrared light therapy stimulates healing at the cellular level. Don't underestimate the power of traditional medicine. Modern science is now confirming its benefits. Thousands of people around the world are using this natural approach and they're getting their lives back. From grandparents playing with their grandkids again, to athletes recovering from the injury faster than expected. This method works because it treats the cause, not just the symptom. Pain-free living is possible only with the right tools. This is not my recommendation for everyone who suffers from joint pain. If you have any kind of information what help you with your joint pain in a natural way, please below the video comment, write to all of us. Subscribe to my channel if you didn't already. And before you go, my dear viewers, I want to explain you what is best vitamin for your knee problems or knee arthritis. You can find it in this video right here. Thank you for following me, my dear viewers. See you next time. Bye bye.